Hi, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So we're going to do a battle box right here. Obviously, Battlbox sent this to the channel for me to check it out and show it to you guys. I don't pay any money for this, so keep that in mind. But again, I'm going to show you some of the items that it comes here. And obviously, check out the Battlbox channel because they actually do a really good job explaining all the items and all that. And if you decide to buy this, again, there's going to be different subscriptions in here. And they do cost a little bit of money, so make sure you do your research. We don't want you to waste your money, right? So we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna go ahead item by item, and I'm just gonna give you a quick look. And the first one is gonna be this right here. It's gonna be an AquaTab, and you can see it right here. And again, it's gonna be something that you can put inside your water, and it's gonna treat your water, and it's gonna allow you not to get sick and things like that. Most likely, right? It's kind of like a survival kind of thing. So again, if you're out there camping or something like that, it's probably going to be kind of beneficial to have something like this. I will actually use this as a last resort, bring your own water and all that. But again, if you find yourself in a pickle, it is what it is. It says AquaTab is a purifying tablet that kills harmful bacteria and viruses in drinking water within 30 minutes. So again, you put it there, wait 30 minutes, and you should be safer than what you wear, right? So that's going to be the first item in the basic box. The next item is going to be a cleaning kit, and you're going to see it right here. This is going to be the cleaning kit. I don't see the prices. They used to put the prices in here. I don't see, or I don't understand why they don't put the prices. Usually they used to put the prices. Maybe I'm missing something or something like that. But let's take a look at this. And here it is. It's going to come in a nice box like this. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And pretty much you're going to have a whole kit. You're going to have a rack to obviously wipe down things and things like that. You're going to have a brush, which actually feels pretty decent. Feels good. I like the design. Never seen it like this, right? So you're going to have a little brush right here, and you're gonna have the spray. And as you can see, you could clean knife, you can clean axes. So it's not like a gun thing at all. It's something that you could utilize for multiple different applications. It even has some rails and things like that right here, right? So it says all-in-one tactical gear cleaning kit, right? So again, remove stone-borne stain from any parts of your survival and outdoor gear. A little bit difficult to read for me because I can't see that good, but again, this is what you have right there. Again, it's going to be a cleaning kit. Okay, the next thing that you're going to have is going to be these towels right here are in a camel kind of pattern. And you're going to get several of them, right? So you're going to get this one's a little bit bigger. It's 27 by 10, one towel right here. You see the carabiner right here. Then you're going to get this one. It's going to be two towels, 14 by 10. And again, kind of like the same concept. This one does not have a carabiner, so this is more like to put inside, as well as the little one. The big one, you're going to be able to hang from somewhere. Again, this is great to wipe anything, right? This one's going to be actually two sponges. So again, you see it right here. It's going to be a sponge. This is not going to be a towel. This is going to be a sponge, right? So you're going to have a bigger towel, you're going to have little towels, and you're going to have a sponge. It's going to be all three that you're going to get in the box. And that's going to be about it for the basic box. We're going to jump into the advanced. This one's going to actually have a case. Very, very cool if you have firearms. So if you have knife and things like that, it's always cool to have a case. Obviously right here, you're going to have little clippings or, gear to attach it to a pack, something like that. You're gonna have a little velcro right here, so obviously you could put like a name tape or something like that. Again, you can see the stitches kind of like orange in a way. And if we open this up right here, two zippers. This is kind of what you're gonna have. So right here, you're gonna have a section that you could put magazines. You can also put knife and things like that in there. And in this section right here, you're gonna have your compartment to maybe put a gun or something like that. It feels like it's a little bit padded right there, which is good. And if you see the elastic right here, it's actually different sizes. This one's a bigger size than this one's right here. So again, really nice. I like it. It's always good to have a little case like this that could be very beneficial at times. And this one's going to have a little bit more. It says that it's going to be rust prevention gun case. It's going to absorb moisture, keep it safe and dry, and prevent rust. So again, it's just not a case. It's a case that provides you with a little bit more, I guess. Okay, the next item, I'm kind of excited about it because I like to go camping, and it's going to be a sleeping bag. You can kind of see it right there. Really not much more to say about a sleeping bag. Again, it's a sleeping bag. So again, you guys know how it looks. You see it right here. But I'm excited about this because I like going camping, and I just told my boy that I'm going to take him camping in the next coming week. So that's going to be obviously really, really good. And this one is from a company called Kelmit. Wow, Aspen 20 sleeping bag. And again, definitely very, very cool. Let me jump into the last thing, which is going to be the knife of the month. And I'll tell you, this knife is actually making this box pretty exciting because everybody knows that Spyderco is really good. And this is the Resilient. This is a knife that I wanted to have for a long time. And you can kind of see it right here. This thing is going to be amazing. Look at this blade, guys. Look at this blade. This blade is just gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. beautiful, beautiful knife. I mean, this is a pretty, really beautiful knife. I tell you, I'm excited. Unfortunately, for me, I'm thinking that I'm gonna give this knife away to some people that I know. And if you don't know about, a Spyderco has this little circle right here, and you're supposed to kind of like deploy it like this. And it takes a little bit of practice. I'm not really that good at it, but again, love it. It looks fantastic. I love the checkering right here. It's really, really nice. You see the spider coat right there as well. And again, just a beautiful knife. This is a pretty beefy knife. This is not a little knife at all. This thing is going to take care of some business. And I really, really dig it. Look a closer look right here. And there you have it, guys. It's going to be the new Battlbox. Big shout out to Battlbox for sending this to the channel. Definitely see you in the next one. And as always, gotta send control.